Hi everyone, I just wanted to go through with you this new pack of ephemera that I'm going to put on Etsy today. And I actually have 5 of them all packed up and ready to go. If you're interested in purchasing one, you can go and have a look, and I'll put my link in the description below the video. So this one is like the other one that I did, where it's in a little pocket. So I've got 2 little pockets that I've created with some gorgeous Tim Holtz paper. And I've just filled it full of goodies. So let's have a look through and see what's in here, shall we? Just take it all out to start with. And so first of all, I've got this old receipt, which is from a butcher shop in Griffith in New South Wales. It's actually 2 pages. The second page would be for the with the carbon paper. There's no carbon paper in it, but in the old days that's what they used to transfer the writing from the front to the back page. And this has got a red number on it and the matching red numbers here. And this one is from the 1930s. You can tell that because of the date here, which is ready to put in 193 and then, 1931, 32, etc. And also I love the phone number, which is 46. So this is an original vintage Griffith Butchery receipt. The next thing I've got is, this is a computer punch card from back in the day. And this one I actually got from Latvia. It's blank on the back and it's got numbers on the front. And it's actually an old Russian one or USSR one. So you'll get one of those. It's quite large compared to the receipt. And then you'll also get a packet of these bus tickets, which come from the UK. I've sourced a lot of my ephemera from overseas, both when I travelled and also getting things shipped in. So these ones are for 16p, and you'll actually get 15 of those, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, yeah, 15. And the ticket size is this size, but I've left them all in the one row so you could use them like that if you wanted to. And the next thing I've got are some vintage cigarette cards. So this one here, this is it's got a little bit on the back. I haven't tried to soak that off, but the front has got a little bird on it. So every pack will have birds in them, both one of these and one of these. Obviously they're going to be different. And this one here is a larger one. This is actually a shell, an old shell card. So they are also original vintage. Then I've got some original vintage bus tickets. These are the paper ones. And these are the 25-cent ones. So they're not as old as some of the other things in this kit, but they're still quite old. And they're just lovely. They're from New South Wales. So you'll actually get 20 of those. So these are numbered from 31 to 50, so you get 20 of those. And then I've got a pack of the train tickets, which are mostly from New South Wales. These ones happen to be all white, but I've got others that are coloured, so you might get a pack that is green. They're still, even though they're all the same colour, they're still lovely, and every single one will be different because they are an original item. The next thing that you'll receive will be some flashcards. So you'll get 4 each of the different sets of division addition. So you get 4 of those. You'll get 4 multiplications and 4 subtraction cards. There's the other addition one. So you will get a set of those as well. And then I have these, which are another sort of card. Again, these are a flash card, but they're smaller than a plain card. They've got this beautiful green on the back of them. And then you'll get different ones. So you'll get some with pictures on them. So there's a set there. And then you'll get some of the actual flash cards, which is these. They're not double-sided, these ones. And then you'll also get one that has a written number on it. In this case, it's the written number 1, but every pack of those will be the same type and quantity, but different in terms of what you actually get on them. And then I'll put in some of these tickets, so you get a set of 20 of these. These are not vintage, so I think they're the only item in this kit that isn't vintage, but I thought I'd put those in because they're very handy, especially when you colour them with tea dye or coffee dye or even just ink. They work really well. And then I've got this vintage bingo ticket. So this is a set with the full set of 6 on the sheet. That's how the bingo tickets come, and each one has got a different serial number on them, so each sheet. And then you've got 6 of them in that pack. And I've also put in a page from a little shorthand book that I've got. Cute little page here, double page, and it's got all the shorthand showing you how to write all the different words. And finally, a vintage lotto or housey ticket. So this came out of a game, and it's quite old, this one, and beautiful colour in the green. So that's what you get in this particular kit. So this would also make a fantastic gift if you've got somebody who's a junk journaler or an art journaler that you can think of. Maybe they would like something like this, and I'm happy to send it as a gift. You can just mark it like that when you buy it through Etsy.